Hey, what's up guys, welcome back with another video. In this video we'll talk about an exchange. Before starting the video, if you guys are new to our channel, then please check out our previous videos like on how to get a free bakery swap airdrop. Is an official airdrop from coin market cap, and here you can see there's a proof of a Mars token that we received, nearly 15,500 Mars token in our MetaMask wallet, and it's a video how to claim that token is here. 1 week ago I made this video, and 3 days ago we got a free 1500 of a Mars token airdrop with the proof I made this video. So that every time I do a video, I say to everyone to join that airdrop. We cannot say that which and all airdrop will be given, and the profit of that coin or a token might be low at that time, and at future it might grow very well, and we cannot say that what will be the future price of an token. So don't miss any of our airdrop related videos and other videos, and here we make an informative video about the fake coins also, so that no one has lost their money by investing on the such a fake coins. So, and if you guys are not brought this Richie Rich coin, just watch this video. In this video I explained everything about a Richie Rich. If you are new to and if you decided to buy any coin like an altcoin or any tokens, then you need a exchange. By the use of exchange you can buy any altcoin. To buy a current altcoin, just we need exchanges. There are so many exchanges in the market. For example, like Binance, Huawei Global, OKTech, Wazira, CoinSwitch. More in today's video we will talk about an exchange. As you saw in the thumbnail, we talk about an Kucoin. We can say that is one of the best and easy to handle exchange. It's like a mini Binance. The every feature of a Binance has been added into a Kucoin exchange. Let's see how to create a Kucoin account and how to verify and all. In this video description I will give a Kucoin's official link. Once you click on that link, you will redirect to this page. You can see that kucoin.com, it's an official page of a Kucoin. Once you come down, it's an easy and user-friendly UI, because in this we can easily understand the what and all option they have given, and it's totally user-friendly. And Kucoin is also known as a people's coin, because 90% of our fees generated by the Kucoin is also goes back to a Kucoin user, so it's known as a people's coin. In my every video before starting or buying any coin or registering exchange, first we have to know about that what is a Kucoin and who developed the Kucoin, and after that we see how to create a Kucoin account totally for beginners. Before getting into a registration process, let's see about a Kucoin. And here we can see that the CEO of a Kucoin is Johnny Liu, founded on September 2017. And if you see the fee structure of a Kucoin, here they given a comparatively fee structure of Kucoin and the Coinbase. The Kucoin maker and the tracker fees is like nearly 0.1% in a Kucoin, while in a Coinbase the maker and taker fees is like 0.5%. While comparing to Coinbase, the Kucoin is very cheap and affordable and of fees. Let's see about the bonus of a Kucoin. By holding this share, you can receive a daily bonus, the dividend called Kucoin bonus. The daily bonus which we receive by holding this called as a Kucoin bonus. The Kucoin bonus is received is 50% of our trading fee. If the value and the amount of a coin increase, the bonus of the holding share will be increased also. So let's see the CoinGecko. Here we can see the top currency exchanges ranking by the trust score. Here we can see the top is a Binance and a global exchange. And if we come down, we can see the Kucoin is ranking on a 13th place with a trust score of 9. And if you see the 24 hours volume is like nearly 1 million visitors, is like nearly 6 million visitor. Total trading value on the coins, how much coins were registered in Kucoins, and the pairs, nearly 353 coins were registered in a Kucoin, and the pair of 715. Let's see how to register. And to create a new account on a Kucoin, first you have to come for this place. I will give a link of this page in this video description, as well as in our Telegram channel. If you cannot come from a video description, then just go and join our Telegram channel. and by there you just copy a link and paste that link in your web browser, that you will come to this page. Once you come to this page here, we can see the interface of an Kucoin, and one of the big reason is that it has listed all type of global altcoin in it. In a market section, we can see the all type of global coins were listed in Kucoin. Yeah, we can see by the name and what and all market value is going on right now, and the price of all global altcoins. This is one of the main reason I'm making this Kucoin video. Also, it's a user-friendly interface, and user can easily use this. So if you want to create a account, just tap on these three lines and you will get this type of interface. In this video we'll see how to create a new account. If you have an existing account, then just click on a login and enter your credential information, then click on a login. Here we see how to create a new account. For that, first we have to click on a sign up. After that, it will open up like this. Here we can create our account by using a email and as well as a mobile phone. First I will say how to create a coin account by email. For that, first we have to enter our email address here. Once you enter the email address, then just click on a send code. Then the Kucoin will send the code to your registered email address. Just copy a code from there, just paste the code here. After that, click on a next. The same procedure to a phone number also. Or if you want to create a Kucoin account by using a phone number, here we can enter our phone number. Before that, just make sure you are a country. If you're from a United States, just select United States, and if you're from a Canada or a China, just select country name. And after you select your country, just enter your phone number. Once you enter your phone number, just click on a send code. After click on a send code, they will send you a code to your registered phone number. Just enter that code here. After that, just click on next. Yeah, just I enter my email address and just I will tap on a send code. Once I tapped on a send code, once you click on a send code, it will open up like this. Just tap box. Once you check that box, we have to enter a capture. Yeah, just I will let vehicles, which are all vehicles I see in image. You may see this type of interface. The some part will be faded, so just tap on this three dot, just tap on desktop mode, just enter a capture. Yeah, I have to select fired range. I will select it. Once the capture get filled, then they will send you a code to your email address. Just go to your email, tap on the mail. You can see that the mail from Kucoin. Just copy this Kucoin code, just paste the code here. Once you enter a code, then just make sure you have this referral code. Just click on next. Then you'll see we have to enter a password. So just create one new password. Create a strong password and memorable password. This password is used for your login your Kucoin account. So I will get a password, and make sure that the minimum characters of a password should be a 7, the maximum up to a 32, and it must contain a 1 letter and a 1 number. So don't forget to add a instruction for at least a 1 number and a 1 letter on your password. Once you just set your password, just check this box and click on submit. Then it will open up a Kucoin. Here we can see we successfully registered a Kucoin account. Here see our registered email address and our user ID. Now we can use our Kucoin account. All the features were available now. So here we can see our by clicking the asset, we can see what and all asset we have, and introduction about all the interface. Here down we can see a home, market, buy crypto, and a trade and asset. Here we can see that in a marketplace we can see what is a market is going on. Here we can see all the altcoin name and their price and the 24 hours changes on that altcoins. And here we can see a altcoin with the USDT and the Bitcoin and the Kucoin and the altcoin link the on. And if we click on any altcoin, and we can see there are chart. If you click on a BTC, and it will open up a chart of a BTC in a USDT. and you can see the price chart of an BTC in USDT pair. And in the chart here we can see the 8 hours, 1 day and 1 week price chart of an BTC and all other currency has the same type of an analysis chart. If we come down, we can see more about order book and recent trades and the token info. And even here also we can see the more details about a token or a coin what we chosen to give a complete information about that particular coin have we opened. Here you can see there's a two button buy and the sell. By clicking the buy button we can buy a BTC from USDT pair. You can see that we can buy a BTC with the USDT pair, and if we click on sell it will open up like this. Here we can sell our BTC with an USDT pair, and in home here we can see we can buy a crypto, top gainer and the top loser of a day. And if we click on buy crypto, and here we can see we can buy a crypto. Here we can see which coin we want to buy, just select it. For example, I will select a Bitcoin. Just enter a USDT amount of a BTC you want to buy from my USD. Just click on how much amount you want to buy. Here we can see the minimum amount 30. Just I click for 50. Then here you can see can select a payment method. Will suggest a payment channel. We can buy from a Visa and a MasterCard and the SCPA and the Apple Pay. Or else if you want to buy anything from USD or any alternative coins, then just click on deposit. Please note that the deposit address has changed. Please do not deposit on old addresses for old users because they change the deposit address. So click on understand and just continue. Here we can see that we can deposit any coin. If you want to deposit USDT, just tap on it. Then you will see the what type of USDC you want to deposit. Just tap on. Then you will see the what type of USDC you want to deposit. If you want to deposit ERC20 USDC, just tap on it, and you will see the receive address. Just copy your address, then send to other people so they can using our address they can send USDT to our wallet. And if you want to send USDT from any other exchanges like Binance or any other platform, copy this address and just go to your Binance or any exchange platform, enter amount and receive address, then click on continue. So simple as you know that. And if you can see this there is a trade option. We can trade here, and by clicking the asset button we can see the what and all asset we have in our wallet. Here we can see that currently we don't have an asset because it's on a new account. So here we can see that the main account balance and the trading account balance and the margin and the future and the pool account balance were shown here. Before that, make sure that you have complete a KYC. Tap on this line, and you can see the security KYC and the trading fees. To do a KYC, just tap on KYC. Click on a KYC, you will get this type of interface. Here we can see that once you pass the verification, you will be receive the following benefits. The withdrawal 24 hours withdrawal limit is increased to 5 BTC, and the future trade supports the 10x leverage future trading. And the to it is 24 hours. Buy and the sell limit will be evaluated to 1400 USD. And the higher crypto to fiat is an order matching in the successful range. Just click on go to verify. Once you click on go to verify, you will see type of interface. Here we have to enter a first name and the last name, and we have to select ID card. By clicking that ID card option, you can get a 3 option like passport and ID card and a driving license. To have a passport, then just enter your passport number, and if you have a driving license, you can go with a driving license. And you might have an ID card. Obviously everyone has an ID card nowadays, and make sure you enter a valid government issued ID card number. Then we have to enter a ID card number, any ID card number. If from India, you might have a Aadhaar card or a voter ID or some other cards. If from a USA or any other country, you might have a your country ID proof. So just enter your ID card number of your country. Once you enter your first name, last name, and your country's official declared ID card number, just click on checkbox and just click on submit. Once you click on submit, you will get this type of interface. Just click on go to identity verification. Here we have to enter identity document photo we have to enter our first page of a passport, second page of a passport. After that we have to take a selfie with our identity document as they shown in here. As you can see in image, they shown like in one hand they were holding a ID card, and in another hand they were holding a paper. They were written a signature and this code and the current date when they were verifying the ID proof. They just click on a checkbox, then click on a submit. If we click on a submit, our verification process will be take some time. After the verification get completed, we will get a message to our registered email account that the verification has been successfully approved. Then we can use a more feature from Kucoin exchange. And if you like this video, please do give a like. If you didn't like this video, give a dislike and give a reason why you didn't like this video. And if you're new to this channel, then do subscribe and share with your friends and family. And if you not join our Telegram channel, then go and please join our Telegram channel. There I'll give a quick update about airdrops and more. So for a quick update, join our Telegram channel. I'll link it in description. Thank you.